Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and this is giveaway day for the Devil's Details diecast Skull Crusher Halloween build. I have 321 comments, and I think there's only like one duplicate, so it's going to be pretty cool. I got a lot of comments. I tried to like and love all of them, so if I missed you, I apologize greatly. So I'm going to go over to my random YouTube generator here, and I am going to copy my YouTube link, paste my YouTube link, and I'm going to filter duplicate users. So it's going to get all the comments. So there's 303 unique commenters because that excludes myself. I commented a couple times and I can't win. So start raffle and pick random winner. And it's going to filter through, and the winner is, drumroll, Trucker DAZ with the amazing comment of awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find his comment as well and comment on that so that he knows, and I'm also going to put it as the first comment on this video. So if anybody knows him, let him know. I will try to comment and get his attention. Congratulations. Thank you everybody for commenting. Ton of great feedback. All the builds are really good. If you haven't checked them all out, please follow the link right here to Devil's Details Diecast and check his out. Everybody that participated, Deep Junk Garage. I mean, everybody. I'm going to miss half the people, so I'm not even going to try. But there's so many people that participated. Every Skull Crusher came out awesome. Skull Crusher. Sorry, I just got out of work and I'm wired from 18 cups of coffee. So, been a long day. I've been working outside in the rain, so I'm a little stressed and a little high strung. So, other than that, once again, I apologize for the quick video, but this is just to announce the winner, which is Trucker DAZ. Thank you very much. Hope you're going to like it. I'm going to comment and put my email down. Please email me your mailing address, and I will get that out to you this weekend. I just got to package it up nice and neat. So again, thank you guys very much. Great feedback. I get 348 likes, and I usually get much more dislikes than this. I don't know why, but it is what it is. So again, thank you guys very much. Hope you enjoy your Halloween, and I will catch you on the next one.